How to install apps directly on SD card on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to search button on top right corner of your screen and search developer options. Make sure your developer options is turned on. After it's turned on, simply scroll down in developer option. In here, you'll find force allow apps on external. As you can see, it is written makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. It is showing external storage, which is SD card, and you're good to go. This is how to install apps directly on SD card on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.